The health ministry wants thorough quarantine checks. Travelers from South Korea are being asked to tell quarantine officers if they've had any contact with infected persons. The ministry wants any person coming from South Korea reported or cough to be taken to one of a designated list of medical institutions. Local authorities and hospitals are being urged to step up measures to combat in-hospital infections. In South Korea, Gimpo Airport was disinfected earlier today. South Korea's Health and Welfare Ministry has announced the death of a 54-year-old woman from MERS. It says there were 8 more confirmed infections. People infected with the virus to 162. Of those, 20 have died. The ministry says some new infections may still crop up in hospitals. This official says their primary objective is to eliminate the infections that have been cropping up in hospitals. They hope to do this by the end of June. The South Korean authorities are trying to identify everyone who might have had contact with infected persons. 6,500 people have been isolated at home or at hospitals.
Downtown in Miyagi, where people settled after returning from the Pacific Island nation of Palau. World War II. In April, the imperial couple visited Palau, where years backwards were formed children. The imperial couple visited a district called Kitao, which means Palau was meant to sound like Palau. The imperial couple spoke with the elderly, said the elderly must have experienced hardships. The imperial couple visit Yamagata tomorrow.
Volcanic tremors were recorded. Sama, where a small-scale eruption occurred yesterday. The continued tremors indicate the mountains intensifying. Last night, a high-definition monitor camera caught a phenomenon in which high-temperature volcanic gas can be seen as a red color when it is reflected in the smoke and clouds. The Meteorological Agency is maintaining its alert level at 2 on a scale of 5 in case of further minor eruptions. The agency is advising people to keep out of a roughly 2-kilometer area around the crater because of the possibility of flying rocks in an eruption. Now weather. Good evening. Heavy rain is falling in southern Kyushu. Be very careful against landslides. This is the current scene of the Kagoshima airport. In the southern Kyushu, rainfall will peak at around 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Per hour of the precipitation will be observed. This is indeed the torrential rain. Caution is advised against landslides, mudslides, flooding in inland areas, thunder and lightning, hail, and tornadoes. Active raining clouds cover between Kyushu and Shikoku. In some areas in Kanto, Koshin, and region, will see very intensive rain. Continue to keep your guard up against disasters for some time to come. Rainy clouds over southern Kyushu remains to be active until tomorrow. Heavy rain will fall intermittently till tomorrow evening. This is a forecast of the 11 a.m. and this is 2 p.m. and the heavy rain area will cover Yakushima Island. Then the rain will ease up at night. In Kagoshima, up until
Tomorrow evening, 200 millimeters of precipitation is anticipated in Miyazaki Prefecture and Kumamoto Prefecture. 150 millimeters per hour accumulative precipitation is anticipated. The soil is saturated, so be careful. The warning signs include that the abnormal sound and falling at the gravels, and make sure to take the accurate information for judging of the evacuation. Be very careful with the information from the TV and the radio. Weather pattern. A rainy front will move north over Kyushu tomorrow. A low pressure system will move over the front. Moist air mass will blow in from the rainy front and the low pressure system, causing very heavy rain in southern Kyushu. The low pressure system moves east and the rainy area will soon cover Kanto.
The regional forecast: Okinawa, Kyushu, Shikoku, and the Chugoku region. Rain will persist. The southern part of Kyushu can expect to be drenched until the evening. Some parts of northern Kyushu will have heavy rain till late morning. Temperatures won't climb all that much during the day. Daytime highs will be below 25 degrees. Kansai, Tokai, and Hokuriku will rain on and off in Kansai and Tokai, while Hokuriku can expect rain from the afternoon. Daytime highs will be below 25 degrees in Kansai and Tokai, but around 25 degrees in Hokuriku. Kanto, Koshiretsu, and Shizuoka parts of Kanto could be lashed by